These are the list of topics. What are regular languages? What is union operation? What is concatenation operation? And what is star operation? Starting with the regular language. A regular language is said to be a regular language if and only if a finite state machine recognizes it. मतलब जिसका भी DFA पॉसिबल है उसे हम रेगुलर लैंग्वेज कहेंगे. Question says construct a DFA over inputs 0,1 for the language L1 where L1 consists of strings of length 2. So we have given input alphabet 0,1 and strings of length exactly 2. We have possible strings are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So here the DFA starting with input starting with initial state A. On getting 0 or 1 we go to state B. From state B on getting 0 or 1 we go to state C and this is our final state. मतलब यहाँ पे सारे strings accept होंगे. Now from C on getting 0 or 1 we go to trap state and on trap state will be stuck. मतलब यहाँ पे कोई भी string अब accept नहीं होगा. Now operations. Union operation. A union B equals X where X belongs to A or either X belongs to B. Example, language A having string mn, comma O. A language B having string pq, comma st. So A union B equals combination of all the strings of A and B, that is mn, O, pq and st. Concatenation operation. It can be written as A concatenation B equals xy where x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Example says a language A having string mn, comma O and language B having string pq, comma st. So A concatenation B equals all the combinations of strings of A and B together, that is mn, pq, mn st, O, pq and ost. Now star operation. It can be written as A star. So A star equals x1, x2, x3, x4 up to xk where k is greater than or equal to 0 and each xi belongs to A. Example says language A having string mn, comma O. So A star includes epsilon, means empty string along with mn, O, mno, mnmn and the combination goes to infinity. So we can say A star includes epsilon and all the possible combinations of A. Thank you.